Listen, this isn't just another conversation about social impact. This is about facing the raw frustration everyone in the social enterprise space feels but rarely says out loud. You know the drill. You pour your heart, money, and endless hours into projects meant to change lives, yet somehow the results feel foggy, disconnected, or worse, manipulated. People ask, are we really making a difference? But deep down, you're scared the answer is not enough. That sting, it's real. And it eats at you every time someone questions your impact, or when investors start backing out because there's no clear metric, no hard proof your work means anything beyond a nice story. It's maddening. Here's the ugly truth nobody wants to admit. Without solid impact measurement, you're just guessing. You're flying blind. You can't fix what you can't see. And worse, you're leaving the door wide open for the system to game you, for shallow projects to steal attention and funding, while real change struggles in the dark. If you're tired of being drowned out by noise, tired of being judged on feelings instead of facts, then listen carefully. Impact measurement isn't the future because it's trendy. It's the only way to stay honest, sharp, and relevant. But don't get it twisted. This isn't about just tracking numbers to look good for the crowd. It's about choosing what matters deeply, not the easy wins or surface-level stats, but real, brutal signals that prove your efforts shift the needle. Want to change the world? Start by demanding better data. Demand your impact data. Use tools that map outcomes to real human stories, but back them with cold, hard evidence. Forget the outdated reports no one reads. Build a living dashboard that forces you and your team to see the cracks, the failures, and the wins in real time. Then act on them immediately. Stop waiting for annual summaries to adjust your approach. Fix things now or watch your work turn meaningless. Here's what you have to do right now. First, stop chasing every shiny metric that looks good on paper but doesn't connect to your mission. Strip it down to what actually changes people's lives. Less vanity, more reality. Second, involve your communities and stakeholders directly in the measurement. No more top-down judging. Give them a seat at the table where their experience shapes the data. Third, integrate impact measurement with your business model. If you can't show how impact drives growth, funding, and trust, your project will die on the vine. Impact and money aren't enemies. They have to dance together, and you're the one who sets the rhythm. Here's one thing nobody tells founders, but every experienced operator knows. The hardest part isn't building the tool or collecting data. It's facing the discomfort the numbers reveal. You'll find parts of your strategy that don't work, people you trusted who aren't pulling weight, ideas that sounded good but don't scale. But if you refuse to confront that honestly, you're stuck. The world's not going to cut you slack. Transparency isn't just a fancy word, it's your survival tool. Owning your failures in public, showing how you fix them, that's where trust is born and real leadership starts. If you want to build something lasting, something that shifts reality and rewires what's possible, start by owning your impact measurement. Make it so clear, so undeniable, that even the harshest critics can't deny your change. Demand it from your team. Demand it from your partners. And don't settle for weak answers. Your role is to connect dots no one else sees, to expose the truth buried under shiny marketing, to build bridges between ideas and reality through data so tight it leaves no space for guesswork. This isn't just about better reports. It's about your integrity as a founder, your credibility as a leader, and your ultimate power to shift the system. If you can't prove your impact, someone else will. And they'll take the spotlight, the money, the momentum, the things your cause desperately needs. So stop wasting time on doubts and vague promises. Get obsessed with measuring real impact. Build tools that force transparency. And you'll find that once the truth is out there, your work doesn't just survive, it thrives, because it can't be ignored. This is what separates the few who make real change from the many who just talk about it. The choice is simple. Demand the truth in your impact, or keep spinning wheels in the dark. No one's coming to save you. The future belongs to the ones who refuse to hide behind illusions. So show your work, measure it, own it, live it. because impact measurement isn't the future, it's your lifeline. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.